Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video we are going to discuss how you can add more modules in your Divi WordPress website. Let's log in into our website, and after that let's go to dashboard. Let me edit one of the page. Let's open home page, and after that click enable Divi Builder. Okay, now let's click on the start building. Then here you can see these are some by default modules in Divi WordPress website. Let's add a section, and after that here you can see these are the list of modules that you will get when you install Divi theme. Now if you want to add more modules in this section, just you can go here in the dashboard, and after that you can install new plugins. Just you can search plugins related to Divi. You can type here, and after that here you can see these are various plugins. Just you can install according to your requirement. So now I want to install this plugin. Now activate it. Okay, we have installed this plugin. It will add more modules. Let's refresh the page. Okay, now scroll down. Here you can see with blue background there are some additional modules added that you can easily use and get more features in your Divi WordPress website.